In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PostEx account in 2026, step by step. To get started, open your browser and go to the official PostEx website at postex.pk. Once the homepage loads, take a quick moment to make sure you're on the correct site before entering any personal details. This is always a good habit whenever you're creating an account online. When you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign Up. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin creating your account. On the Sign Up page, you'll see the account creation form. This is where you'll enter your business and contact details. Start by adding your first name in the first field. Make sure it's entered clearly and spelled correctly, since this information may be used for communication and account verification later. Next, enter your last name in the appropriate field. After that, type in your email address. Be sure to use an email account that you actively check, because any updates or follow-up communication regarding your account may be sent there. Now enter your contact number, double-check the number before moving on so that you don't run into issues if the platform needs to reach you. After that, fill in your city. This helps complete your profile and may be relevant for service availability or account setup. In the next field, add your company name. If you're registering for business use, make sure the name matches the one you normally use in your operations. Then enter your position, such as owner, manager, or another role that best describes your responsibility in the company. After that, add your website URL. If your business has a website, enter the correct link carefully so it reflects your brand properly. It's a good idea to check for typing mistakes here, especially in web addresses, since even a small error can lead to the wrong page or an invalid entry. Once you've filled out all the required fields, review the entire form one more time. Confirm that your first name, last name, email, contact number, city, company name, position, and website URL are all accurate and complete. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time later and help avoid delays in the approval process. When everything looks good, submit the form. After submitting, you'll need to wait for the admin to respond. At this stage, your request is essentially under review, so keep an eye on your email for any updates or next steps. And that's it. That's how to open a PostEx account step by step in 2026.